In this video, I'll be go over whether or not AppFolio Property Manager is legit or is it too good to be true. So AppFolio is a cloud-based property management platform designed for landlords, property management, and real estate investors. It streamlines everything from marketing your rentals to collecting payments to communicating with tenants all in one easy-to-use system. So AppFolio offers a lot of features that is great for landlords, but it also is very cost efficient. And we can see that over here with their plans called Core, Plus, or Max. This is only if you're residential. If you have community association or commercial, you'll get other prices. But as you can see here, they don't give a specific number to be able to use AppFolio, but you'll instead need to get a quote down here, which is not necessarily bad, but it could indicate that some customers are going to pay a lot more than other customers for the same exact features. But I can confidently say that the core package is about $200 per month. So if you take a look at AppFolio's Trustpilot, we'll get a very mixed view, which is the norm really for any type of subscription platform, to be quite honest. As you can see, Buildium down here, which is a platform I use myself, has a 3-star reviews, even though I am very happy with Buildium. But we can take a look at the data down here. And on overall data on AppFolio, I can see that about 57% has given a 5-star, which is absolutely fantastic. And most of these folks talk about how good and easy to learn AppFolio is. But if we click on the 1-star, we'll get a whole nother view on AppFolio. And there seems to be a common issue with AppFolio, and that is their customer service, which is apparently not existing to these reviews. And some people even calls them a scam. You can also see that by looking at these reviews on sites like Reddit, where the support has been terrible towards their paying customers. But let's talk about what I know about AppFolio and not all these other people. I know a lot of people who use AppFolio on a day-to-day basis and also in the past. And some say that their support definitely has changed over the past couple of years to the worst. But I can guarantee that AppFolio is 100% legit and could still be worth a try to your property management business. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!